You guys voted and the results are in. You want to learn how to find and get approved for no-doc business lines of credit. Well, you happen to be in the right place because I just so happen to be an expert in no-doc business funding, and I'm going to share all of my secrets with you today. Check this out. Here's our client, John from Florida, 385K in no-doc business funding.
And a $50,000 one from Truist.
Holy shit. Yeah, it's over 300 grand in funding.
Here's Dave from Virginia, got 730K no-doc funding.
Sorry, how much funding have I gotten?
Yeah, B-Lock and cards, everything. Working with Hanny.
730.
And of that 730, 484 was 0% interest business credit cards. 275K was no doc business lines of credit. Here's another recent client of ours this week who got 540K in no doc funding in under 30 days.
20 and 40, so 540 total.
And
Now, let me tell you, check this out. So, I don't know if you're recording this or not, but so I haven't had to give any tax returns at all.
And welcome back to the channel. It's Credit with Colin. We talk about how to maximize your credit and get maximum business funding. I'm an 8-year United States Marine Corps veteran, and I funded over $100 million for more than 1,500 business owners. We run a real funding company with over 25 plus employees. And in this video, we're going to break down all of our secret sauce, no stone left unturned. Let's talk all about it, guys. So again, we're going to talk about how to find and get approved for no doc business lines of credit. You saw we got this guy 500K in less than 30 days. Most of it was no doc funding. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how it works. Now, at any point, guys, if you just want to work with my team to get no doc B-locks for you, or to get business lines of credit stack multiple 6 figures in funding, link is in the pinned comment and the description to work with us to fix your credit or get access to business funding. Now, I love business lines of credit, and here's why. I believe it's the most powerful business funding product out there. It's kind of like if a credit card and a loan had a baby, right? Because it's revolving like your credit card. You can pay it down and reuse it. With a term loan, you can't do that. It's an installment, and once you pay it off, it's gone. There's no more funding, right? But it also has the lower interest rates of a term loan, right? Credit cards are high interest rates. Loans are lower. We're getting 6% interest on a lot of these business lines of credit right now. So it's like a hybrid lending product. And what we love about it is you could withdraw this money cash. You can wire it. You could ACH it. You can use it to buy real estate cash and take advantage of quick opportunities, or buy your competitors and buy other businesses. That's what some of our clients do. They're buying their competitors out. And once you pay it back, you can use it again. You could even, rinse and repeat and get higher limits as well. Now, I'm going to also show you how I use B-locks to build my rental portfolio without using any of my own money. Now, there are 3 types of business line of credit applications: no doc, low doc, and full doc. No doc means no tax returns, P&L, no financials. These are usually up to 50,000. Some banks go up to 100,000. We've even found a few rare banks, only 2, that offer this up to $250,000 with no financials at all, right? Then there's low doc. This could be a P&L, or 3 months, 6 months of business bank statements, or it could even be 1 year tax return. So a lot of banks, for example, like US Bank, they're no doc up to 50,000, but then low doc up to 100,000, and they're full doc 100K and above, right? So there's a lot of different low doc lenders up there. For example, Citizens, they're 50K and below no doc, but they're low doc 3 months bank statements up to $250,000, right? And then their full doc above 250,000. Finally, full doc is 2 to 3 years of full financials, tax returns, and things like that. Now, here's how I use business lines of credit. One way I love to use them. I'll give an example. I just found a deal where somebody's selling a property in St. Louis, Missouri for $29,000. The after repair value is $145K. They've already got a quote for $60K to fix it. So all in, I need about $90,000 for this deal. I can use one of my $100K no doc business lines of credit to buy this property cash. I could wire the money to the title company and to pay the contractors and buy all the supplies and fix this bad boy up. And then I can cash out, refi, get all of my money back, pay off the business line of credit, and have a profit, right? And own this rental, cash flowing real estate. So that's how I like to use it. I could do this entire deal with just one of my business lines of credits. Now, I could sell that deal, I could refinance it, I could pay back the line, and I could reuse it again and again and again. So let's talk about how to find these no-doc business lines of credit, because a lot of people, they look in the wrong places. And now every single state, no matter where you are, I promise you, there is at least a handful of banks that offer no-doc business lines of credit. Here's how you find them. First, you're going to want to go to bankbranchlocator.com. BBL, this is one of my favorite places to find no-doc business lines of credit. Up here is the top 15 banks in the entire country. If you scroll down, you can see the top 50. If you click down here, you can see the top 100 banks. But what you're going to want to do is pick your state. Let's say you're in Florida. If you click Florida, it's going to show you your top 20 banks right here. Or you could click largest bank in Florida and you're going to find your top 50 banks in your state, right? Now, what you're going to want to do is take a look at your top 20, take a look at your top 50, and you're going to want to go line by line, each bank, go to their websites and go to the business lending section. Now, what you want to look for is two things. Number one, do they have a 0% interest business credit card? If they don't, then it's useless. We don't want a 30% interest credit card. If they do, awesome. Let's get some 0%. Now, if they don't, there's still one other thing you want to look for. Do they offer business lines of credit, and do they offer it with no financial documentation? So you want to look at the business lending section on their page, and let's go ahead. Let's take a look, right? Let's take a look at Ocean Bank, for example. You click Ocean Bank, and then you navigate to their website right here. Go to oceanbank.com. Again, we're going to go straight to the top of the website, and the only thing we care about is, do they have business lending? If they only offer personal lending, cross it off your list, go to the next bank on the list. We don't want personal lending. We want business lending that doesn't show on our personal. It doesn't increase our DTI. It doesn't affect our utilization. It doesn't ruin our chances of funding. We only want high limit, 0% or no doc business funding. Right now, we look at business, and again, we're looking, do they have a business credit card? And they do. And do they offer business lines of credit? And is there any indication of the business line of credit or business lending being no doc, right? That's all we care about. So small business loans right here. And you're going to look at the verbiage on their page. Is there anything that says simplified application, streamlined application, quick, easy decisions, or same day approvals and funding? All of those kind of verbiages are indications that they offer no doc business funding. Now, the only other way you're going to find out for sure is to call them. And so you'll see on Bank Branch Locator, you have a list of different branches. And if you click the branch, it will give you the phone number for that branch. And we're going to go over a script on how to actually call and speak with these bankers as well, and how to use this verbiage to find more banks too, guys. Now, again, simplified application, fast, easy approval, streamlined process, or even no financials, right? Some of them even say no tax returns. I want to show you guys this too. Now, once you find these verbiages, there's actually something you can do. You can Google keyword research to find more banks that offer this. Now, take an example right here. If I go on Google and I search in quotes, right? Any word that you put in quotes, it has to find that exact sentence. So if you put streamlined application in quotes, it has to find that exact sentence. And then if you put business line of credit outside of the quotes, it's going to look for pages that also say business line of credit, but it's not mandatory. So look at this. I put no tax returns required. And check this out. Comerica Bank has a streamlined in-person and self-serve digital application, instant decision, or as little as 24 hours, no tax returns required. And look at their website right here. They offer business lines of credit up to 100K and also 100K to 500K, right? And it says right here, no tax returns required, instant decision in as little as 24 hours, online customers accepted, and funding in as little as 72 hours, right? These are all indications of a great no-doc business line of credit, right? Now, here's how to call the bank and where a lot of people mess up. You're going to call, again, sometimes you're going to have to call multiple. I recommend calling at least 3 branches from the same bank. Don't take your first no ever with anything in life, right? Anything in life, you're going to want to never take your first no. Now, I would call that branch and I would ask to speak with a business banker, the vice president, a relationship manager, even the branch manager, somebody that is a decision maker. And now you're basically going to hit them with this pitch that tells them everything they want to hear. And I'll give you the script right here. So when you get connected with somebody, you basically want to say, hey, I'm a local business owner and I'm interested in opening a business bank account and applying for business lending. And now in this run-on sentence, you're going to tell them everything they need to hear to know that you're a good candidate, and they can let you know whether or not they offer the line of credit with no docs. You're going to tell them what industry you're in. We have a consulting or marketing business, right? Something that's not high risk, not pornography or crypto or cannabis or anything like that. And our business is X years old, preferably at least 2 to 3 years old. Why? Because your entity must be 2 years or older, and some banks 3 years or older to qualify for a business line of credit. So now they know you're old enough, right? We do X amount of revenue per month, let's say 50K per month, right? And we have X credit score, 730 to 800 plus credit score. Now, finally, say we're looking to apply for a business line of credit for just $50,000, right? You're downplaying the amount for just 50K because we know a lot of banks offer this with no documentation. So in this one run-on sentence, you've told them you're in a good industry, you're old enough to apply for the business line of credit, you have good revenue, good credit, and you're looking for a small amount that typically doesn't require financials. Now you finally say, I was just wondering, how's the process work to apply? how long does it take, what documents are required. And now the banker will typically tell you for the amount you're looking for and for a business at your age and revenue range, typically there's no financials needed, right? And so this is how you can confirm a business line of credit that is not required with docs. Now, if they tell you it's they require financials and things like that, you could kind of counter and you could say, really, for just 40,000, you need tax returns and everything like that. And sometimes banks will even tell you, you don't really need the financials, but sometimes we'd like to get them in advance just in case the underwriter asks. Well, can you submit it without it? And a lot of bankers will tell you yes. If they're still, requiring full docs, what I would recommend is tell them have a nice day and call the next 2 to 3 branches of that same bank. Again, call at least 3 branches of this particular bank to ensure that before you rule it out that they don't offer no docs. So that is kind of the script, and that's why it works, guys. Now, I'm going to give you guys some real sauce right here. What happens if you get catfished by the bank? Because sometimes the bank will tell you, this happens all the time, where they will tell you, yeah, it's no financials, no docs for a 50K line of credit. You go ahead, you submit, and then they say, hey, the underwriter is asking for tax returns, right? And you feel catfished, right? Like the dating apps when you meet up with somebody and they're not who they said they were, right? Who does that? But what you want to do in this scenario, here's how you could still walk away with an approval, is you could essentially tell them that after looking at your budget and looking at the interest rates, it's a lot more expensive, the business line of credit, than you had initially thought, and you'd rather just downgrade your application to a business credit card, right? Is there any way we could switch the application to a business credit card? I saw you guys offer a 0% business credit card on your website, and a lot of banks will say, sure, no problem. And the reason this works is we know with almost certainty that 95% of business credit cards are no docs. They don't require financials, right? So worst case scenario, this happens with our clients all the time. They walk away with a $35,000 0% card or a $15,000 or $25,000 0% approval, and it's still a pretty big win. That's why this works, guys. Now, keep in mind, you can stack multiple of these like you see with some of our clients. You can get 4 different banks that offer no doc B-locks for $50K each, and you can stack $200,000, right? And you could pick up the 0% cards as well. We do this every single day with our clients. We're helping people get 100 to 500K in funding. We're funding over $4 million per month. This is real. This works. And if you guys want help, you could do this all by yourself, or you could shortcut the process. You could work with me and my team. We'll help you source and find these no doc B-locks. We'll help you deploy this capital into turnkey fix and flips, Section 8 rentals, or real estate. Anything you're looking to do, buying a business, we're here to help you guys. So if you want to work with us, click the link in the pinned comment. We're going to map all of this out for you, a full funding plan. See if it's a good fit to work together. Even if it's not, we're still going to map out a plan for you and show you what your next best move is, and make sure that you leave that call with some value, guys. So I highly recommend, if you're interested, click the link in the pinned comment description. And as always, guys, don't be a mouth breather. I dropped a lot of game. Be sure to like and subscribe this video. As always, guys, links for credit repair and business funding are in the pinned comment description. It's your boy Credit with Colin, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.